Welcome viewers to Vande Bharat Media. The proposed Ram temple in Ayodhya is said to be the third largest Hindu temple in the world. Of course, the first question strikes our mind is which are those two temples bigger than proposed Ayodhya Ram temple? The largest temple in the world is located in Cambodia. Its name is Angkor Wat. The meaning of the word Angkor Wat is city of temple. It was built by Qamar king Suryavarman II in the early 12th century in Yashodhapura, which was the capital of Qamar Empire. Suryavarman II was a strong believer of Hindu religion. Those days, Hindu religion was prominent in many parts of Asia. Even now, some traces are visible in the places like Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Cambodia. Cambodia was one of the strongest Hindu region in 12th century. Qamar dynasty was famous for its Hindu ideology. However, approximately 27 years after the death of Suryavarman II, Angkor was sacked by the Chams, who are traditional enemies of Qamar dynasty. Thereafter, the empire was restored by a new king, Jayavarman VII. This Jayavarman, even if he is a Hindu by birth, he believed in Buddhism. Towards the end of the 12th century, Angkor Wat gradually transformed from a Hindu center of worship to Buddhism, which continues to the present day. Angkor Wat is unusual among the Angkor temples in that although it was largely neglected after the 16th century, it was never completely abandoned. However, from 15th century, the temple was took over completely by Buddhists. 3 lakh peoples were used to construct this giant structure along with 1,000 elephants, which was the substitute for the present day machinery for lifting stones. Anyhow, today it is one of the World Heritage Site. It is spread in 400 acres land. When it comes to second largest temple, it's the Swaminarayan Akshardham Temple in New Jersey, United States. It was inaugurated in August 10, 2014, also housed an exhibition on Hindu history and culture. The mandir's construction commenced in 2010. The mandir was built in Nagari style using 68,000 cubic feet of Italian Carrara marble. The marble obtained from the quarries in Europe was shipped to Rajasthan, where hundreds of artisans carved the stones. After the finished pieces of stones were assembled in workshops, and engineers sequentially numbered the pieces and shipped them to New Jersey. It is spread in 631,000 square meters. Different shrines hold other murtis, including Radha and Krishna, Shiva and Parvati, Sita Ram, Hanuman and Ganapati. It was built according to principles laid out in Shilpa Shastras, which in Hindu texts prescribing standards of sacred architecture. And now, Ayodhya Ram Temple is becoming the third largest in the world and largest in India. According to the plan of 1986, Ayodhya Ram Temple was earlier planned in 70 acres land. Now, all proposed structures has been redone to 120 acres. New planned Ram Temple structure is 10 times larger than the old one. First phase of the construction will be finished in 3 years. Whole temple complex will get completed in 10 years. That means by 2030, gate will be open for the devotees. As per the modification suggested in the design of temple, its width is 280 feet. The length is 300 feet. In addition, the height would be 161 feet. It would now be constructed over 84,000 square feet area. The grand temple at Ramajanma Bhoomi in Ayodhya will follow the Nagara style of temple architecture. The Nagara style of temple architecture is found in various parts of North India. There is an unofficial news which is coming from various medias that in Ram Janmabhoomi, the world's new largest statue will be constructed. However, we will leave it there and come up with more genuine updates about that. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Goodbye and Jai Hind.